When people find out that I garden or see my garden, or they know that I have a YouTube channel and watch the channel, they often have a lot of questions. And I have 5 of those that I've picked that I'm going to answer today. So let's get going. One of the first questions that I'm asked is, how did I get such a green thumb? Well, I don't. I don't have a green thumb. I have a thumb just like anybody else's. And it's a lot of trial and error with gardening. You just got to plant and you got to tend to it. You got to do your research. And hopefully with all that combination of doing your homework and doing the preparation and whatnot, you'll get results. And it's really trial and error. I fail at a lot of things. So it's definitely a trial and error. And one of the reasons I named it Garden Discovery is because of that, is that I'm constantly discovering, learning, and that's why I love gardening. I am not actually sure that I believe that there is such a thing as green thumb. Is that green thumb really exist out there? I think everybody started as a beginner and everybody learned along the way, and you just have to get out there and do it. And once you do and have success, you're going to be really excited and want to do more with plants and with landscaping and just putting different ideas and putting your own little twist on things in the garden. That's what's so fun about it. That's what's so fun about discovering the garden in your own space. And then even going to visit other people's gardens is so much inspiration. So I really recommend that you get out there and visit other people's gardens. It's really helpful to visit people's gardens in areas near you because you can see the types of plants that prosper and do well. So that's one tip for you. And that leads to the next question, which is, what should I plant? Well, that's a loaded question because you got to know what you like. And so get out there, go to gardening centers, go to gardens, visit them, especially in your area so that you can see what grows well and what you're able to plant. Do your research again, homework, look into the plants and the different options that there are to grow in your area and pick the ones that you like. Some people like succulents, and if you live in a warm area, a warm climate, you can grow succulents indoors and outdoors. Some people don't like succulents though, so maybe for you it's something like ferns or whatnot. You just have to do your research and figure out what you like. What is it that catches your eye when you visit other gardens? That's my advice. Next question, and I get this a lot, is will I come do your garden? That's a tough question. I don't have time. I barely have time to do my own garden and the YouTube channel, and I do have a job outside of the garden. So yeah, I'm not going to be coming to do your garden anytime soon. However, for close friends and family, if you want me to come and do a consultation, I can do that, no problem. I would love to do that. And we could talk about the things that you like. I mean, some people, I've talked about this before. I have a very informal garden. It's pretty whimsical, and I like that because that's kind of my spirit and how I am. But with you, maybe you're more straight lines and, just really rigid. And there's nothing wrong with that. Everything has its place. And that's what's so fabulous about gardens is there's so many different types. So yeah, I would love to come and talk to you and look at your space and, throw some ideas out there and help you get things turning in your head. So just let me know. The fourth question I get, and I get this a lot as well, is what's in the shed? Well, I have this still shed in the middle of my garden, close to the house. And people ask me what's in it. And if I tell you, I have to kill you. No. What's in it right now is a bunch of junk. It's gardening supplies and shovels and rakes and cardboard boxes and empty planter containers and plant food and things like that. Nothing too exciting, but that is an upcoming project that I do want to do, is tackle that. I want to get some really nice sturdy shelves and really make it a place where it's my work center core for the garden. So that's what's in the steel shed. And no, I won't show you right now. It's an absolute mess. Now we come to the final 5th question that I got asked just this week, and it was a fabulous question, and it came from my friend, my little friend Amelia in Ireland. Hi, Amelia. Thanks for the question. And Amelia asked, what is my favorite plant? And right away, I didn't even have to think. It was ferns. I love ferns. I don't have a lot of ferns, but the ones I do, I'll show you here. Here's my ferns. Thanks everybody for joining me in the question and answers for the garden. And had a lot of fun today talking about these things, and it's got the wheels turning, and that's great because it's fun to think about future projects and improvements and those kind of things for the garden. So I hope everybody has a great week, a great day, and that some sunshine comes your way. We don't have it here. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Anyway, thank you so much for all the new subscribers. Put the word out. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Really helps the channel a lot, and I appreciate it. And I will see you in the upcoming video. Bye.